So here's our portfolio. Our program was talking about how to eat healthy on a budget. We definitely hit all the right spots. We got the right questions in the end. And I think overall it was a great program that was very interactive. It was so nice to teach to so many different ages and get feedback as well from all those ages. We had children that expressed their ways of eating healthy, which was like fruits and veggies, which I'm sure they hear that every day in school or at home. And then you have the older adults that mention vitamins and certain things in foods like protein and salmon. Here is my table of contents that includes everything in the portfolio. So my preflection includes challenges and things that I think that we would do great on in this program. I'll start with challenges. Bad always goes first. So challenges, I thought that we would struggle in proactiveness and procrastination because as college students we all do it. We all tend to put things off to the next day or the next week or whatever. And so I thought that we would struggle in this department. A positive that I think in the beginning that I thought would happen is that their needs will be fulfilled of the learners, and we would be able to connect with these people on a deeper level, talking about eating healthy on a budget and understanding how to do that and how to pick the right avenues to take in order to complete this. So with that, we have specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. These all include different things that go into this program and how we prepare, execute, and then finish out the program. To name a few, we measured by asking questions in the end and seeing what their reactions were to the activities and to what we were saying, and then hearing their feedback at the end when questions were asked. The 3 required objectives that we did hit on throughout the program were budgeting, making healthy choices, and making a healthy grocery list. Not included on here, but somewhat an objective was taking all 3 of these together and creating something that will be beneficial for everyone to use within the room. So with this, we had an instructional plan, the material, seating arrangement, again, our objectives, what we said in the beginning, our facts to be taught, which include how to meal prep, how to create a grocery list with a background, knowledge of nutrition that more so comes from us teaching them and then them gaining the knowledge, how to find coupons in certain stores, learning how to shop the perimeter of the store, learning that buying frozen fruits is better than buying fresh fruits because they last longer, so you're saving more money, but you're also getting those healthy vitamins and nutrients that you need from fruit. And then in our closure, we tied all things together and asked questions in the end for feedback. As we are not registered dietitians or licensed at all, we definitely, I think, had a great impact on these people and a great interactive learning experience for everyone. We did end up showing them a little video, which was super cute and fun to watch because it was tips and tricks from a lady on YouTube. This is the video. And then our evaluation included them creating their own grocery list. I wrote down a few things that they mentioned. And then our program documentation includes our video and pictures of us presenting the program. And then I would just say program reflection includes like our strengths and weaknesses and advice that I would give students that would possibly present this in the future. I think our strengths were communication. Within our group, we communicated every single day, every single class. We divided up work so each person could complete it on time and in timely manner, I should say. That allowed us to get things done with great detail and thought, and with that great communication and great presentation, and ended in an engaging audience. Although strengths are great, we did have some weaknesses. I showed up a little late, which always puts everyone back. I I also believe that we did not have enough information to present to the full-time capacity. I would love to have had more information to present, a little bit more facts maybe, maybe another video that's more elaborative, that helps kind of execute and explain so our learners can understand better. So advice I would give is pick a topic that you can talk forever about. It's very helpful to have something that's very relatable and that someone can take something away from it and use it for the rest of their lives.